Let's see how color could be applied on the HTML context. So beginner, do you remember the border style that we used? So this is the shorthand for border. This is what we used last time. So we get a border with the black color. Let me try red now. Yes, that's what you see. Okay, other than border, what shall we try? Okay, let's look for last name. No, favorite food. Okay, so favorite food, here it is. Let's do a style, background color. What shall we do? Bisque. Okay, see, got it here. Let's apply that here too. You got that there. So you have border, you have background color, and let's try to change a font color. This is for favorite food. Now we'll type for gender so that it's immediately visible. So the color style is pretty much for the text. So you have border, and then we saw background color, and then we saw text color. So there's like a bunch of ways you could apply color to your HTML code.